Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of simple, easy to make hand embroidery designs. Guys, my today's video is based on one hand embroidery stitch, that is French knot. French knot is an embroidery stitch that is very easy, simple, and most of the times French knot is being used to fill up the holes or the center of the flower. But today's video is somewhat unique in itself because French knot is all over embroidery for floral patterns of embroidery, like all over patterns, like embroidery motifs and different type of neckline embroidery along with the borderline pattern of embroidery. So all of these are French knot embroidery patterns, and on my channel I have already shared tutorial for making French knot, how you can make a French knot embroidery stitch, and with the help of French knot how you can make different type of stylized patterns of embroidery. These very beautiful patterns of embroidery could be used to decorate your dresses for an all over embroidery pattern, for an embroidery motif or a neckline. Even you can decor your DIY items, like you can make your cushion covers with the help of these French knot designs, quilt cover, pillow covers. Even you can decorate your bed sheets, tablecloths, and different type of home decor items, as well as different type of fashionable accessories like glasses covers, mobile cases. Your handbags could be beautified with the help of these patterns of embroidery. So French knot is the simplest, easiest, most trending, and most demanding pattern of hand embroidery. And all of these different color combinations must be followed to form the exactly same decent and elegant design. Guys, we try our best on daily basis to share amazing and trending ideas of hand embroidery with you. And all we expect is to appreciate our designs and like our designs. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share in the comments box that which design you like the most and why, and how was your experience of making that design also. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribes are very important. You can subscribe for a number of other devices, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Until then, take care. And if you are new to my channel, explore my already thousands of shared designs of hand embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.